Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Here today, we are giving you the Forex Showdown. I got FxBigDog here today, and we're going to go ahead and battle between us two. Got 5 pairs that we're going to go ahead and trade live. 2 is going to be picked for me and 2 picked for him, and we're going to go ahead and trade those 2 pairs. Whoever can close those 2 pairs first will be announced as the winner of the showdown. So get your popcorn and drinks ready, and we're going to get started. Whoa, what's this?
This is funny. All right, traders. Well, welcome to the trade battle. Thank you, Cam, for bringing me back again. Those that do not have trading accounts, we want to go ahead and thank EightCap for sponsoring this video. If you can go ahead and make sure that you check out the description down below. If you do not have a trading account, check out down below. There's a link to connect to, or at least to open up an account with EightCap. And when you do that, please make sure you contact us. Contact us because we want to help you get a good kickstart in your trading, and we're going to offer you a great deal on our trade ideas. So make sure you go ahead and open up an account with EightCap and then contact us, and then we're going to help you be able to get some good trading done in your trading account by joining up with EightCap. So they got low spreads, great company. We've been working with them for about a year and a bit, and they are definitely a company that should be considered if you do not have or looking to open up a trading account. Check out EightCap. All right, well, Cameron, yes, it is going to be a battle today because we've had quite a bit of news out this week. If you look at the calendar, we've had quite a busy week. We had the US rate decisions this week. We had the pound rate decisions this week. Both of them raised the rates 75 basis points. We had jobs out this week here in the US and in Canada. We had the rate decision for the Aussies as well. They raised the rates only, looks like 25 basis points. So not a very aggressive raise. And it's been pretty whiplashy. So coming into the Friday here, trying to put in some trades, it's going to be tough, man. It's going to be tough. But what I'm really excited about is about the results that we've been getting over the last, in fact, over the last year and a half almost 2 years. I'm going to go ahead and show my screen here so everyone can just take a quick look and see what's going on here, because I think it's important that people take a look and see what's happening. So this is our trade ideas. This is our flagship product. It's called the Professional Membership. It's doing exceptionally well. As you can see right here, we are just killing it this year. Last month, we made 12.12%, absolutely killing it. And I've got something really, really important to share with you in a minute about Cameron's trade ideas. But if you take a look over here, traders, this is the Professional Membership. Make sure you check out our website, Traders Network Club. Check out the Professional Membership. It is absolutely killing it right now. As I mentioned, 409% up this month. This year. This month would be fantastic, wouldn't it? It's up this year. But also importantly, we're going to be releasing Cameron's trade ideas very, very soon to members that are a part of his trading room. Cameron runs a trading room, VIP trading room, on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and a Thursday, where he goes into the live market, places trades. But you want to know something? Check out the results from this guy. This guy's just absolutely bulleted last month, 16% last month, killing it, absolutely killing it. And what Cameron does is he focuses on putting in some trades at really specific levels. So he's really detailed at his entry points. He's not as aggressive as I am. If you look at my trade ideas are very aggressive. He's not as aggressive, so he's keeping the drawdowns low as well. It's a great opportunity for those that want to get involved in his VIP trading room. Check it out. It's called the Starter Pro Membership. And we're going to have a great deal on his trade ideas coming up very soon. We're getting the marketing together, we're putting the prices all together, and that's going to be released very, very soon. So make sure you guys check that out and reach out to the company, reach out to Traders Network Club to find out a little bit more about Cameron's VIP trade alerts that's coming up very, very soon. So yes, if you're not able to be in the live sessions, you can be sure that your account is connected, getting the trades that Cameron are placing. So that's going to come up very, very soon. There we go. Bill's already said a happy dance. This guy, this guy's on the bomb. All right, fantastic. Well, thank you, Bill. All right, now, just like Gary goes ahead and posts there, if you can do us a favor, do us a great favor. We want to get this video out to as many traders as possible. So go ahead and, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to this channel, but also go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. Let's get this video out to as many traders as possible so we can share the love. All right? Thank you very much. All right, that's great. Very good. Now, let's go ahead and get the show started, Cameron. But again, let's just refer back to what's going on this week. So we've had rate decisions out of 3 central banks. The Aussies, 25 basis point. The US, 75 basis point. And then, of course, we had it out for the UK as well, 75 basis point. And then we've had jobs coming out this morning as well. And if we actually go ahead and take a look and see how the market's been moving, and I'm going to go straight to the dollar index right here. And there it is there. And what did we anticipate here on the dollar index? Well, traders, we anticipated that we have a crown pattern sitting up right here. And this crown pattern is showing, oh, hang on, where's my, this crown pattern, something just flew up on my chart here. Crown pattern is showing that we have a up, we got a left shoulder, left shoulder, center, and then right shoulder right here. Actually, not shoulder, but tips. Left tip, right tip, center. And this is setting up a beautiful crown right here. Now, with the market closing out, hopefully today it'll close out with this big bearish candle. When it does, that'll give a good indication that the market is in a bearish trend in this crown and going to be chasing after a lower level to the downside. We're going to check out the different currency pairs today. We'll break it down and we'll look and see exactly if this is exactly what we've seen on the dollar index, if it's reflecting the same thing on the euro US dollar as well as the US dollar CAD as well. And I'm 100% certain it's going to be doing that. So let's take a quick look at this and see how this plays out. But let's go ahead and get started. And Cameron, you ready to rock and roll? Get the show on the road?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, good. So, traders, glad everyone's here. I appreciate everyone being here. And it's been an absolute great year for us so far. We're looking forward to going into the Thanksgiving and, of course, Christmas period and the new year. I'm really looking forward to that. But let's get some money in your pocket by looking at some trade opportunities this morning. Now, I want to go ahead and just throw a disclaimer out there to make sure that everyone understands. We're not CTAs. We're not commodity trading advisors. So we are not telling you what to do. We're not telling you how to place your trades, what to do your trades. We're just showing you what we're doing. If you choose to follow, then that's up to you. So we're following a strategy, and we're just showing you exactly how we're going to implement the trade. And whether you follow or not, that's up to you. You are responsible for your own trading account. All right? So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this ball on the road, or this is show on the road. And let's run the first currency pair. Now, I believe, Cameron, I won the last trade battle. So that means I get the opportunity to jump into the first trade. And it's going to be the US dollar CAD. Woo! Just the currency pair I'd like to go ahead and talk about. The only thing on the US dollar CAD that's a little frightening at the moment right now is that we've had this big, strong move to the downside. Now, it's come back. You can see here we have that same crown. This is a daily time frame. We have that same crown pattern sitting up right here. There it is. And I mentioned in my live sessions this week that with that rally, I'm still bearish on the US dollar. I'm still bearish on it, and I anticipate the US dollar to fall. But I also mentioned that this level where we're actually trading at right now is critical, really critical. And I'll show you why I said that. Because it's coming off a 1.6 rate of a previous swing. There it is there. So that level is acting as a support level. Now, for those that need to know, normally when the market's trending and it goes past the 1.618, what happens is the market comes back and retests that level as a support level. And so it bounces off that support and goes north. And this is why this is important for us to break through. I still believe that US dollar is going to be bearish, but at the same time, with it being bearish, I'm anticipating that we are going to see a break of that level. It's struggling to do that, and we are trading at it right now, which makes my job a lot harder right here. So if you look here, you got this big bearish move right here. We got support at this level right here. I'm telling you right now, I don't want to buy. Okay, I don't want to buy. All right. Now, if the market was at the support level, I might opt to go ahead and do a buy on this. And that would be quite a risky buy right here, because if you break through, then clearly, traders, the market is going to go bearish. So I got to make a decision. Do I buy here, or do I wait for it to go up a little and sell in the direction and and realize that I might be entering positions here if it goes higher in a higher retracement and then goes back down south? So what goes up must come down. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to break this thing down on a lower time frame so I can establish some swing opportunities on the lower time frame. And that way I'll be able to see if I can pick up my 20 pips. Now, the market did bounce here from that low to here, and it's gone up 50 pips. So you can see how that would have been a great opportunity to grab your 20 pips and get the heck out of Dodge, right? So let me go down to the 15 right here. Whew. Let's see here. Okay. Man. So Cameron, I've got to make a decision, right?
Yes, you do.
All right, I'm going to even go down to the lower time frame. I'm going to go down 5 minutes on this. Look what I'm doing right here. Yep, I'm getting crazy here, guys. I'm getting crazy. I'm going down to the 1 hour, so the 1 minute here. $35.72. I need price at 75.32. What is it at 66 right now? All right, Cameron, get a sell ready for me. Get a sell ready for me. I'm looking for price to get to the 35.72. And I want to sell at the 35.72. I see at least 25 pips going down if I can get it above 72. So that's 35.72. So 35, let me see here. Yes, I've got to get it above 75.32. All right, it's going to get closer. It's getting closer. Okay, when it hits 72, make sure you check it out. It hit 71, did it? Oh, son of a gun. All right, it's very close, and I got to get it 72 or higher, or else I'm not going to make that 20 pips. Have you got your finger on the buy button, sell button?
Yes.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, you're in.
What did I get? 69?
You got in at 68.
68. All right. All right, 68. So I'm currently, and I should have maybe been a little more patient, but I know I'm taking a lot of time right here. But I wanted to get 72 right here because price is going to drop right here, and it's going to drop to take out this low at 49. So it's not bad because I might just get about 20 pips out of that trade, and you can see it's starting to work its way back. I might just, but I'd like to have got it right there at the 72, so I can guarantee with the spread as well that I'll get my 20 pips out right here because I'm on a 1 minute time frame. Are you kidding me? 1 minute time frame. This is what I'm pushed down to. All right, Cameron, that's it. All right, I'll take a look and see how this plays out. Let's go ahead and spin the wheel again. And by the way, traders, this trade that has just been placed, you'll be able to check it out on our, take a look over here. There's that trade right here. All right, you see right here, there's the trade right here. I got Cameron's right, 135.68. So if you want to go ahead and get these signals, make sure you go ahead and check out the description down below. There's a Telegram link. Go ahead and connect to that Telegram link, and you'll be able to get all the signals that we're placing here in this trade battle. Okay, so check it out. Check out the Telegram link down below. And also, we'll be posting about Cameron's trade ideas, how to be able to get connected to that at a very low cost. We'll be sending that out in the Telegram channel, so make sure you check it out as well through next week. We're going to get that out in next week, hopefully. All right. All right, you're up, Cam. Woo, woo. Look at that. Look at that, baby. All right, I'm only... Oh, man. I'm probably about 15 pips up right now. All right, Cameron, it's your chance. Go for it.
All right, go ahead and spin.
Let's go ahead and spin this, baby. All right, it is the Aussie CAD. That's not nice. That's a nice trade.
Aussie
That's
CAD.
a nice
Okay.
trade. You can do it, bud. All right, share a screen. Let's rock and roll. Let's go.
Okay, Aussie CAD. And sorry if you hear, I got the maintenance outside my house here mowing the grass
No,
on
it's
my
not that
building,
bad,
on my
actually.
apartment building. So, all
Yeah,
right.
it's not that bad.
So what we got here is we got a bearish move here on the Aussie CAD. Looking at the 1 hour, as you can see, we're on this bearish trend. Price was coming down to test support here. Didn't technically really came and hit support, but we do have some. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit here. So we do have some highs creating over here. As you can see, we had support here. Resistance here as well, where highs were created. Okay. Now we did have a little pump and dump here on the news this week that causes high wick here, and we did have support here as well. That price now broke through support. Could be some liquidity grab. Now price is moving back up. So we got it taking place that this could be some liquidity grab, or are we having a downside move back to support here, or resistance? So looking at the 1 hour, we still got the last high up here at this resistance here, and price created this last low. So price is validating this high right now, and we're expecting it to obviously close lower than this high, and we're anticipating for price to go ahead and dip back down. But let's go take a look at the 15-minute time frame, and this is what I wanted to see on the 15-minute time frame. Is I do got some negative divergence here. Okay. So because we got some momentum slowing down here with negative divergence showing, we are looking for a pullback year or a reversal year. Well, not a reversal, but a
Tracement.
pullback year after this correction move. So we're expecting the continuous trend to take place, going back bearish. So, and just so looking at the lower time frame, you can see that price did take out this last high as we're creating lower highs. So we do have these highs created. So we do have price breaking through this last high. So here we did have a reversal, okay? I know this looks a lot scribbly, but here we have this last high taken out right here. So this high took out this high right here. So we do have a breakthrough right here. So we do have a reversal here on the lower time frame, but this is the correction move for the higher time frame. So let me take a look at the 5-minute time frame as well here. And we do show it slowing down a little bit, going back to the 15-minute time frame. So what we anticipate here on the lower time frame is, okay, where's these lows at? These lows, the last low is actually right here, okay? Because we're looking for now price to go ahead and move back down to this low. If we're getting negative divergence, price is going to come test these lows. And if you can see right here, this low is kind of very low compared to these lows right here. So I'm looking for price to at least come back down and retest these lows. So on the Aussie CAD, I am going I'm going bearish.
All right. Now, remember, traders, as you're watching Cameron break down the chart and that, keep in mind that, if you're looking at the long-term outlook of the market or midterm, and then you go, oh, man, you're not trading in the direction of the trend. Well, you got to ask the question, what is the trend, right? And for Cameron and for anyone to trade short-term, your trend could be a 1 hour, 15 minute, it could be a 5 minute, it could be 10. You have trends on different time frames. So depend, of course, the style of trading and what you're chasing after, because remember, you can't go to a 5-minute time frame and say, well, I'm going to chase after 300 pips on this trade. So you have to go to the chart that's relative to what you're looking for based on your targets. Because if you're not going to get out of those trades, and you're going to be hanging on to those trades with this hope of getting so much more, and it's not going to offer that.
Yeah,
So,
no,
okay.
sorry. I'm actually changing my mind. I'm actually going bullish because what I do see is I do see a lot more bullish momentum pushing before we get that pullback here. And I'm anticipating price to come and test this resistance first. So sorry. So I'm looking at here and I'm saying, okay, I do have a lot of room to the upside here, to the support is about 30 pips. So, and just because my MACD doesn't show negative divergence this year, I'm expecting a little push here before we get a correction move. So I'm going to close out faster if I anticipate this bullish push to this resistance here. So I'm actually going to go long the Aussie CAD.
Well, that's a smart idea, Cameron, because that's really what the idea is, right? The idea here is, and just by the way, as Cameron's showing his screen right here, as a member of his VIP trading session, you get access to this trading tool that gets you access to placing trades quickly. So if you're following any of Cameron's trades, you can use this tool to be able to access now. Now, as a starter member, you also get access to this. This is our lower tier membership. You can get access to that tool that helps you get into trades quickly and manage your positions by using our trade signals to be able to get in on those trades. And so just as to go back to what Cameron was saying right here, the idea of this trading show is to get in and out as quickly as possible. That's what that's what we're trying to do here. And on that note, Cameron, do I have to? I'm going to do it. I'm just going to show everyone. We closed out on the US dollar CAD. Boom! That's our roll. That's our roll, Cameron. That's our roll. All right. So ready. First blood been taken. My first trade, US dollar CAD, closed out with a 21 pip. We actually got positive slippage. 21 pips as it dropped back down. Exactly what I anticipated. Now it's moving further down south. That's fine. I don't mind that. So I'm done with this. And let's go ahead and move on to the next currency pair. Let's take a look and see what else we got here. All right, let's spin this wheel. Now, by the way, that was on a 1-minute time frame. Just shows you there's different time frames that give you different setups. All right, New Zealand CAD, winner. All right, perfect. Let's take a look at New Zealand CAD. All right, I'm going to flip it up a little bit higher to a higher time frame and start off over there. We don't normally want to start off with a larger time frame first. A smaller time frame first. So here we go, New Zealand CAD. All right, so let's just take a look at the daily time frame for a minute here.
Excuse me.
Are you sick, buddy? What's going on there? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull in some trend lines going across like this. And what I'm really trying to establish here, traders, is just a sense of strong levels of resistance and support. And once I have that, then I could pretty much go ahead and start looking at a setup. So coming off the support, now I just really want to focus in on this right here, this going up right here. So now I'm going to go down to the lower. I'm going to go to the 4 hour, another 1 hour. And from the lowest point there, I'm going to establish what the market swing action looks like. So it looks like we had a 5-wave structure going up here. That gives me my target up there. Looks like we may have got to this level here. Interesting. Maybe I'm missing something here because this is too easy. Hold on a second. Yeah, I want to make double sure. Yeah, okay. All right, so this is going to go up a little higher then. So we've got wave 1. Let's go ahead and mark this off right here. Wave 1, 2, 3. We had the consolidation, which created 4, 5 over here, the 1.27. Sweet. And so price is looking to go for the 4th wave right here. So we're actually looking to chase after this 4th wave down here. And just like Cameron, I also want to make sure that I get in and make as much profit as possible, as quickly as possible. So I'm going to look at this here as this is a retracement move. And it did hit the 1.618. So which means this is now the 4th wave that we're in, and it's range bound, and we're at the top of the range. I'm going to do something a little bit different here. I'm going to sell New Zealand CAD. All right, Cameron, let's get that sucker on the board there, and let's put that trade in. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and sell New Zealand CAD right here, and there we go, 1, 2, 3, and it's in. All right. So once again, traders, if you want to check out the trades, go ahead and you can see right here. I want to pop up the trades here. It's popping up over here on my side here. But here we go. Here's the trade right here. There's Cameron's trade, Aussie CAD buy. Mine is the New Zealand CAD sell. There it is. The entry point is at 0.7959. Cameron's entry point was at 87.17. There it is inside the Telegram channel. You can check it out. It's available there for you so you can follow along the way. Now, the reason why you want to follow along the way is because you'll see if we enter multiple positions, which can be the case, if we get it wrong, and just as an example right here, if we get it wrong, if I get it wrong right here and price does go up higher, I'm going to go ahead and cost average in, because what I'm looking for is the market come back to retest the breakout point and then continue to rally. So if we are going to go higher and possibly even target this level up here at the top, then I'll have to cost average, and that's how I make sure that if I'm wrong on my first entry, that I can cost average and make the profit coming back. So let's see how that plays out. All right. And it looks like it's going a little bullish on me here, but again, we'll have to wait and see. It's just a 50-minute time frame. All right, finally, let's go to the next time frame right here. Let's take a look. Cameron, you're up, buddy. Ah, that's nice. It's a friendly day, isn't it?
Yep. Well, just like with the USD CAD, that you're anticipating the dollar to drop, I'm expecting the euro to go up. So just looking at this, obviously we're breaking through this support and supply zone right here, and we just had a test here. And oh man, I should have bought right now. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and buy right now on the euro, just before it starts moving further. But yep, there it is. I'm obviously long here. We got retest here at this support here or supply, and we're now obviously getting this bullish push. A lot of imbalance zones over here as well, and I'm seeing highs and higher lows form. Even looking here at the 50-minute time frame, you see a little bit negative divergence, but here was a little pullback here. We got this pullback here, and you see these lows right here created. So we got this lower low, the higher low formed right here. So we got the pullback correction move. Now we're expecting a nice little rally here on the euro. So that was pretty easy one. Just a little eye look test there, just eye look, and I kind of see what direction I want to go here on the euro.
Hey, listen here. You watch the charts a lot, right? So you looking at the charts so frequently, it almost like becomes a natural reaction for you to when you see something on the chart, you want to react quickly because you know exactly what the market's going to do right there. So that is pretty solid and very quick reaction. All right, traders. Well, as you can see, Cameron is loaded right now, and he is selling, buying the euro US dollar. That trade signal has been implemented here in the Telegram channel. There you can see there, buy at 98.86. It's in, and it's been implemented. All right. Let's go take a look and see exactly what is going on here. With the last pair we have right there is the Canadian Swiss. So what Cam and I are going to do on the Canadian Swiss is we're going to go ahead and break this down together. Cameron's going to go ahead and take a look at his own analysis. I'm going to look at my own analysis. We're going to come together. We're going to make a decision as to whether we're going to buy or sell the CAD Swiss. So let me get started here, Cameron, first. And let's go ahead and break this down. Firstly, number one, I do like the fact that we've got this indecision candle forming right here, but the candle's not closed out yet. But guess what's happening? It's testing that resistance here at the top. So there is a resistance, so which means there's always going to be what we call a price rejection at that level. And because we have price rejection at that level, we are expecting price to go ahead and dip back down south right here. So let me do this. Let me go to let's see here. Daily. Let's go to the 1 hour right here for a minute. Oh, Cameron. Wow, this is a go right here. I don't know. I'm thinking bearish right now, CAD Swiss. Right now. If I look over here, there's about a 20. If we might get picked up on a second entry, but I doubt it. I think sell CAD Swiss right now. Now I'm doing what Cameron did earlier on, making a really quick decision, really fast, because of just the way I'm seeing the chart right now. It's pointless for me to go ahead and sit here and try to ponder on this decision when the market's sitting at a very good level of resistance right here. And before it starts selling off even further, I'm thinking bearish. Cameron, what's your decision? What do you got there?
Yeah, so I'm looking. I might be looking at something a little different here.
What? Are you kidding me?
So yeah, I'm looking at prices sitting and you're looking at the 4 hour, no 1 hour.
1 hour, the 1 hour, yeah.
Yeah, and you're looking at the resistance of.
I'm looking at take a trend line and draw it on the top of those two highs that you got there on the left. No.
Oh, okay. So you're looking at from year to year.
Yeah. Bring it down. Yep. That's what we got right there.
I see what you're saying. Okay. But I'm anticipating. All right, so this is what I'm looking at. So I'm looking at the lower time frame here, and we're moving bullish right now. Obviously, we can always have a reversal here, and you're right. We're at that resistance of that trend line,
and we just hit a 1.618 as well of an upward swing.
See, I would be looking for a sell, but I'm looking at prices here at an oversold position here. So it's showing a lot of consolidation. It's a very consolidated zone, and we did have a push in price here. from news earlier this week. So this came back down in this consolidation zone and it's testing it. So when I go to a lower time frame, I'm seeing these lows right here. I'm seeing these lows right here that are forming, and it shows some support right here. So I'm seeing a little support on a lower time frame where we could still get price to come back up and still retest these areas.
Hmm.
Um, and you're anticipating for price to go ahead and break through this and continue to go bearish. Now, obviously, that could possibly happen as well, but I wouldn't know until I see this breakthrough pattern. But I'm anticipating more of a retest here and price going back up.
All right. So it's come down to this. All right. It's a coin flip. Okay. It's a coin flip. So here we go. So listen here. Cameron's got good intentions based on his analysis, which means that he's seen what he's seen on the lower time frame to see this bounce going back up. I'm seeing the larger time frame controlling it and pushing it down south. Now, there is a chance of that pullback, and so Cameron, this is what I want. Before I do the coin flip, this is let me try and persuade you first. What if we sell CAD Swiss, and if it does go up that 20 pips, we'll enter again. If it stays in that range, it'll come back down to the first entry, and we'll still make 20 pips.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
if it breaks that support, there's a much further downside move to the downside than there is to the upside. So it's better that we sell it with resistance very short to the upside, but more downside potential to the downside. And because if we buy it and it breaks that support, we might enter multiple positions before it comes back to retest that level.
Yes.
So
I'm persuaded. I think obviously the short position is the safer direction. Absolutely.
well, let's do it. Sell this
Yeah.
baby.
All
Sell
right.
this sucker. Let's go. And let's pray. Let's go ahead and pray that it breaks that support so we look good here. All right.
And that's the CAD
But
switch, right?
that's a catch choice. But now keep in mind, traders, keep in mind that if the market does go up, it is part of our plan, right? So if the market goes up here, we're going to re-enter. And if it comes back to this first entry point, we're still going to make our 20 pips and get the heck out of Dodge. But if it breaks through that support, I think we've got a lot of downside potential. I think it's going to move pretty quickly. I think we should be able to see our profit target on this really quickly because here is a 1.618 extension right here. So I'm expecting price to come back to retest this level right here
Yeah.
as maximum. But also take a look at this, Cam. We also got this right here where we got this trend line right here that's acting as a support. So this support that Cam is talking about is key. So we've got to break through that. If we do break through that, then it's money, baby. It's money. All right. So I'm glad we didn't have to go to the flip the coin. All right. And we managed to go ahead and make a decision on this. I think it was a good decision. I think we're going to make some money on this trade. Traders, that pretty much wraps it up. Now, listen here. Before you guys go, if you haven't smashed the like button, if you came in late, shame on you for coming in late. All right. But if you haven't smashed the like button, go ahead and smash the like button. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and take a look at our Telegram channel down below, because down in our Telegram channel, there is, sorry, did I say Telegram? Look down below in the description. There is our Telegram channel. But not only is the Telegram channel where you can get these trades that we're placing right now, but also there's the details there of how to be able to get connected to our trade ideas. And we're already seeing our trade ideas coming out for Cameron's trade ideas coming out this next, I'm saying next week, but I'm going to say soon. All right. Number one. Number two, remember, traders, if you're looking for a trading account, check out EightCap, description down below, use the link down below. When you use the link down below and you connect your account to EightCap, which means you open up a trading account with EightCap, please do me a favor. We want to help you to get your trading on the road. Go ahead and make sure you contact us. Let us know that your account's been set up. We'll go ahead and verify all that stuff, and we'll help you get set up with trade ideas that can help your account go ahead and profit for that month. Okay? We'll definitely want to help you out on that. So we'll definitely sit down and figure out how we can help you. All right. With that being said, traders, everyone have a fantastic Actually, you know what? Wait a minute. I just heard now that the euro just closed right here.
Yep, and my Aussie cat, the Aussie cat's looking to close very soon as well. So it looks like I might be a winner.
Wow, look at that. All right, traders, check this out. There we go. Cameron's euro trade has gone ahead and paid out. What? Aussie cat, let's take a look here. Did you buy?
Yep.
Ah, snap. All right, let me see my New Zealand cat. Oh, I think oh no. Whoa. Did I get in? We haven't gotten a second entry point yet, right? My second entry point is about just about there. Let me see here. I entered there. Oh, it's just about. All right, we'll see. We'll see.
So it's gonna come down to my Aussie cat and your New Zealand cat.
Yep. All right, well, that's it. Aussie cat, New Zealand cat. If the Aussie cat closes out, if you check it out the Telegram channel, if the Aussie cat closes out, Cameron is going to win this battle. If the New Zealand cat closes out, I'm winning the battle. And again, I think this is like 10 times in a row. I don't know, something crazy. I mean, how many times have I won this, Cameron? No, not quite that much. You've done well too. All right. So we'll see how this plays out. It's going to be pretty interesting. Hey, it's been a great day. We've had a good time. I hope you guys had a good time today as well. It's not only about enjoying what you do and having fun what we're doing, but it's doing it as a group. And I'm glad you guys could join us today and have some fun. Traders, have a blessed weekend. Have an awesome weekend. And we'll see you guys next week. Same time, same place. It's FxBigDog and my sidekick, Cameron. I called you sidekick. And we'll see you guys next week. Cheerio.